sometimes you need more control. With the practice, it will be okay. Okay, be careful with the thumbs. Okay, don't lift, okay? Don't lift up or sideways. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, you get stuck, you stop. You never push. If it doesn't come up, stop. Go, go, go. No, I don't like the way you hold it. See, I'm holding this one. Not up like that, but this one.
Maishi.
Yeah, more. And then the pelvis is here. Go a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Okay, try now without squeezing, okay? Yeah. Go, 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 but use momentum. No, there. Go, go, go. Okay. Good,
Yay.
good, 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 good. Okay, fine.
Yay!
That's better.
So let me try one more time.
Don't be upset.
Don't squeeze with the thumb. No. You see what I do?